if I can do it, anybody can do it. So it's not a big deal. It's not that difficult like it looks and like people says. It's simple and it's easy. We just need the confidence and we need to trust ourselves. Yeah, so you can do it. Hi, Angel. And this girl gives me trouble at the back. Hi, Angel. I put my seatbelt. Angel likes to sit in front, and now I have to go to reverse. Thank you, Mama. Mama's camera is not sitting nicely, but it's okay. So welcome to my YouTube channel, everybody. This is me driving to work with my 2.5-year-old daughter. Enjoy the beautiful view. Today it's nice and sunny. So I learned how to drive. Wait, let me put the song off, okay? Let me feel comfortable, then I'll put the song off. Ah, Ishita. 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 Oh, one car is coming. Look at these cows. These cows are the ones. These cows are the ones. Ishita. Ishita. This is making a recording vlog. That's okay, that's okay. Okay, friends. So I was trying to do a vlog while driving, but my phone is not sitting still. Keeps shaking here and shaking there. So this much view I think is okay. Wait, there's a truck coming at the back. I wanted to actually share the story of how I learned how to drive the four-wheeler and how I'm feeling currently. Wait, let all these people go. So just finished work and now I'm driving home. The camera is not sitting nicely. I think this will do right. Let me go on in the empty road. This road is like googly, 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 googly. The road is googly, 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 googly. Angel, how is the road? The road is googly, googly, googly. You know the mountain roads always googly? No. Okay. Didi's gone home.
No.
Yeah?
Didi.
Your Didi? Okay. What is Didi's name? What is your Didi's name?
Didi.
So I was in neutral. Now I will put it in gear 2.
No, Didi.
No Didi.
Where did Didi go?
Huh? Okay. Big cement mixer. Angel, look, big cement mixer. Big cement mixer.
What is it? What is this?
Dad, what is this? That is a cement mixer. I have to be careful because I am recording and I have to be visual and alert. People coming from the back and people coming from the front. So here, I think I started learning to drive in April. Early April. So it took me just 1 week to learn. I knew how to drive a two-wheeler, but I was not very confident and I was not comfortable. I would like stick my legs out each time I see a vehicle coming, and I would be so stiff in the two-wheeler. I didn't actually drive properly, and I didn't drive for a very long time also, because then I got pregnant with my first child, and then I didn't drive, and then I didn't get comfortable with it. So in early April, when my husband got a job out of the city, So I told him, because we didn't have a scooty, I sold my scooty, and I told him, you know what, I am ready to do anything and support our family, and even if it is just for the time being, I'm ready to learn and do anything, so you don't have to stress, and I want to be independent. Just get me a second-hand scooty and I will be fine, and I will be independent and do driving and going up and down and all, you know. So what he said to me, which I was shocked and I was surprised, he said, why do you need a scooty? We already have a car. Why don't you just learn how to drive the car? And I was like, I didn't say much to him, but I was like, I was inside like shocked for him to say that, because he takes very good care of his belongings, and I don't know how to drive. Of course, I'm going to dent it, and I'm going to like, you know, use it a lot, and it's not going to be in the condition that he keeps it. So I was like, okay, no problem, let me, I will think and I will find a tutor and I will drive. That, his words just boosted my motivation, and I was like to myself like, oh wow, of course, if he can think so strongly and I mean so highly about me that I can learn how to drive a four-wheeler, then of course I'm going to do it. Then I start looking for a tutor who can teach me. So many bus, oh my god, wait, sorry, there's traffic over here. There's a learner in the front also with those yellow, small yellow altos.
Mama.
Yo mama.
Here.
Wait.
Papa there.
Huh?
Papa there.
Yes. So where were I? Here. His words just boosted me. And then I start looking for a tutor, and I used to just sit in my car early morning and practice the sitting position, and of course looking at YouTube, what are the basic things and all. And then I found two tutors, but they were not matching my timing, because I only have time early morning, like 5 o'clock in the morning, and it wasn't matching my timing, being a working person and a mother to such a tiny baby.
Mama.
One of my friend in the morning, she was taking her dog for a walk, and she saw me sitting in the car. Yes.
What's your hair?
Okay, we go home and do it. And then I told her, I'm looking for somebody to teach me and all. And then she was like, oh, let me talk to my brother, because he teaches, and I'll give you the number. And that worked out perfectly for me. And within 1 week, I learned within 1 week. Of course, the second day I bumped it into in the wall while learning. But that was my weak point, you know. The weak point came out really fast. Like, I was so scared to press the race, and that was my weak point. But I'm glad it came out quickly. Let me just go on. Okay. Sorry, you have to see the steering dashboard while I'm trying to do this vlog. Yeah, so where were I? So I learned within a week. Of course, the second day I bumped it, which I knew that was my weak point. I was so stiff and not pressing race, just only pressing clutch and brake. But then my tutor was very strict, and he was like, you cannot learn like this. You have the willpower, but you are just afraid. Don't be afraid. If you're going to be afraid, you cannot learn. Just be confident. Then I learned in 1 week, and he was so good with teaching me. And then I still took 1 more week for like practice, to get comfortable, to get confident. And then I started driving. First day I took it to work, and we have 2 gates, and I opened only one because everybody opens 1 gate, and I went too close to the wall and I scraped it. But that was fine. That was also my weak point, and I'm glad it came out early. And now I think it's been April, May, June, July, August, September, around 6 months. I'm confident. I can drive hilly station, and I can drive anywhere, and it feels good as a woman. It feels good that I get to drive, and if anybody needs me urgently, I can go and see them, support them, and I can motivate my group girls. And I think if I can do it, anybody can do it. So it's not a big deal. It's not that difficult like it looks and like people says. It's simple and it's easy. We just need the confidence and we need to trust ourselves. Yeah, so you can do it.